Good afternoon, world. Welcome to another episode of Dr. Nate Live. Monday, October 16th, 2023. Happy Manic Monday. Hopefully everybody's having a great day out there today. Staying safe and cool, depending on where you're at. As it's been lovely, no triple digits over here in Arizona. Thankfully, finally, no more heat. Heat. No 126 degrees. The weather's not trying to kill you anymore. Oh, another beautiful day. And gotten some feedback from some of the Unity developers. Some people, they take it a little too negative, I think, but they keep saying that Unity's problems really have just begun and started to unravel something big, and they're like, oh, they were having financial turmoil. I was like, well, they monetized pretty well. They got the in-game ads that are going on, which they have quite a few number of those games out there, and they collect, I believe, that on a monthly, if not quarterly basis, right? They have their asset stores, right? And then they actually have the sales of the video games themselves. And so where lies the challenge in the process of making that video game studio profitable? Well, also, let's take a look at the salaries too. Are you paying too high of a salary? Is your headquarters in too high of a area? Like, there's a lot of things you can do to change your headquarters, maybe over to Arizona or Texas even. Get out of California's, hey, spend $100,000 plus a year on office equipment because you want to stay in Silicon Valley. There's a lot of those other things too that you can take into factor of, like, what are they wasting money on, basically. So let's see what they all say. Otherwise, I don't know, let me see your thoughts. Reach out to me, DoctorNateLive@gmail.com. Do you think Unity's just unraveling something, or they're just maybe need to really stop wasting money on things that they should be wasting on? Let me hear your thoughts, because it seems to be a hot topic over the weekend. Anyways, I'll see y'all tomorrow for another great day episode of Dr. Nate Live. Have a good day, everybody. Be safe out there.